Literally just stopped by the most random spot on the side of a street, and it looks quite majestic. I just flicked a rock at it. So quick update from where we last left off. We managed to get the charge pipe fixed. So now if we look in here, we installed it's a metal VRSF charge pipe. Much better than the plastic one we had originally. So that's something that should have been done a long time ago. And hopefully it puts up with the way that we drive this thing now. So let's go. Okay. I was driving down there and heard something scrape extremely hard, so it's super loud. Just taking a bit of a break. It looks fine, but my phone is now at 8%, so I'll probably just wrap up the recording for this video. So yeah, that's just a quick update, and I'll keep you guys posted. More content to come soon. Peace.